guys, it's Flora from Britsend. I'm going to do that again, okay. Hi guys, it's Flora from Britsend. Today, to get into the festive spirit, I'm going to show you how to make these gingerbread Christmas cookies. So, shall we get started? I'll meet you in the kitchen. Alright guys, so first of all, I'm just going to go through what you will need to make these gingerbread Christmas cookies. The ingredients you will need are 175 grams of dark, soft brown sugar, 85 grams of golden syrup, 100 grams of unsalted butter, 2 to 3 teaspoons of ground ginger, 350 grams of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 1 large egg, clear fruit-flavoured boiled sweets, and don't use anything with a soft centre, so you want very hard boiled sweets, white icing to decorate, and finally you will need star-shaped cookie cutters, or any Christmas-shaped cookie cutter to be honest, but you're going to need to make sure that you have one cookie cutter bigger than the other, and you will see why later on in the video. So, our first step is to measure out all our ingredients. Next, you need to heat the sugar, golden syrup, and butter in a saucepan until melted. Then, mix the ginger and flour in a large bowl and make a hole in the center. In baking, this hole is called a well. Next, you add the bicarbonate of soda to the melted mixture and stir. And it will fizz a little. Then you pour the melted mixture into the flour mixture and add the large egg. Next, you want to stir to combine the mixture. The mixture will be soft at first, but it will become firm as it cools. And as you can see in this video, I had a little bit of trouble trying to get all the mixture to combine at first. But you just need to keep going and eventually all the dry mixture will mix in to the melted mixture and it will look like a more cookie dough texture. Once this is all mixed, you need to scoop the mixture into a box or Tupperware and put it in the fridge to cool for at least 1 hour until it is firm enough to roll out. Once this hour has passed, you should preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 170 degrees Celsius if you have a fan oven, and if you have a gas oven, it is gas mark 5. Next, place the dough on a lightly floured surface and cut it in half. Briefly knead 1 half and then roll it to 2 millimeters thick. Now it's time to use our cookie cutters. First of all, I want you to use the bigger cookie cutter to cut shapes. And as I said earlier, we chose star shape, but feel free to use any shape you like. It could be a Christmas shape, it could be a heart, it could be anything you want it to be. But yes, so you need to cut out the big shape and then get rid of the excess dough, which you will then roll up into a ball again to keep using it until you have used up all of the dough. Then you transfer your cookies onto lined baking sheets, leaving them a little room in between to spread. Now we use our smaller cookie cutter to cut a window out of each biscuit. And then you need to add your sweet in the center. Now, if your sweets are a little too large, like ours were, then you should chop or crush them into smaller pieces. And for this, we decided to use a pestle and mortar, which worked quite well. Now, be careful not to add too many sweets to the center of your cookies, or else it will spill over the edge. And feel free to play around with the colors. We decided to do a couple cookies with 2 different colored sweets, and they turned out quite well. Now, bake them in the oven in batches for 5 to 6 minutes, or until they darken slightly and the sweets have melted. And remember, don't forget to bake the little mini cookies as well. And you can decorate these ones with icing. Finally, leave your cookies to cool and harden before you move them. And that is everything for our Christmas cookie recipe. And I will see you in the lounge. All right, should we give them a try? Just gonna have this little one. It's really good, if I do say so myself. Okay, that's all from me today. I hope you enjoyed this Christmas cookie tutorial, and I hope that you give this recipe a go. Thank you for watching, and I just want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye!